Hey everyone, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about protein treatments and are they really important? But before we get into the video, I'd like to give a quick thank you to Scentbird for sponsoring this video. I'm sure many of you have already heard of Scentbird because they're really popular, but if you haven't, Scentbird is a monthly subscription service that gives you the opportunity to sample from over 600 brands in the fragrance, cosmetics, skincare, and wellness categories. Scentbird lets you choose a new designer fragrance to try every month for just $15. With each fragrance, you'll get a 30-day supply, which is about 100 to 140 sprays. That's way more than you'll get in a sample from the store. And you can also upgrade to receive 2 to 3 products a month. And Scentbird partners with all the top brands like Prada, Gucci, and Tom Ford, as well as indie labels like Glossier, Nest and Hoka, so you know you're getting 100% authentic scents all the time. And they have colognes, so if you have any males in your life, then you can get it for him too. Plus, they have products from other categories like skincare, wellness, and makeup. They carry brands like Kopari, Glam Glow, Glow Recipe, Tarte, and more. They also carry makeup, candles, Bath & Body Works, and other products that can be part of your subscription. So this month I received 3 scents. Pretty colors, right? Super cute. You basically just twist, right? And pull it out. And this is the vial that it comes in. So, and then you put it back in and you twist again so that it goes down. So this one is Juliet Has a Gun. So let's see what this smells like. I like this. I really like this. It's a very mature scent. It smells a little powdery as well. I can see this being my scent. I like this one. It smells really good. The next one, again, we just twist, pop it out. This one is In Full Bloom Blush, and this is by Kate Spade. Let's see, let's put it right here. This one smells very pretty, like it smells like florally and fresh, and it smells very womanly. As of right now, I think this would be the second favorite. I actually like the first one better, but that one is definitely, you know, up there as well. So this one is Fresh Hesperides Grapefruit. Let's put it on the other wrist. Definitely smells like grapefruit. So if you're a fan of grapefruit, you're gonna love this because it smells just like grapefruit, just like what it says. Now, if you're interested in, you know, checking them out or just exploring what Scentbird has, make sure you use my promo code so you can get 30% off. And the promo code is SimplYounique30, and you'll get 30% off for your first month at Scentbird. Okay, so let's get into our hair. So for those of you who don't know, our hair is made up of keratin, which is a protein. And so if you color treat your hair, if you apply heat to your hair, if you chemically treat your hair, whatever you do to your hair, like you're breaking down the bonds of that protein, and then it'll leave gaps in the hair strand. So basically when you do a protein treatment, what you're doing is basically applying protein so that it fills those gaps and helps to strengthen your hair. All right, so I know some of you might say, hey, I don't have colored hair, and hey, I don't use you know, heat on my hair, or I don't have chemically processed hair. You know, that's awesome. However, doing a protein treatment once in a while is not going to negatively impact your hair because your hair is still affected by climate or weather. You know what I mean? The heat from the sun that's beaming down on your hair, that still impacts your hair, right? So doing a protein treatment is still beneficial to you and your hair. It'll basically help to restore the integrity of your hair. If your hair is feeling damaged, brittle, limp, those are signs that you probably need a protein treatment. Now, you don't have to go crazy and give yourself a protein treatment on a weekly basis, because even though protein is good for your hair, it can also be bad for your hair. So there needs to be a balance. There needs to be a balance between protein and moisture. I'll get into moisture in another video. I just want to focus mainly on protein treatments in this one. If your hair is severely damaged, you can can try doing a protein treatment maybe twice per month, no more than that at all. If your hair is not really damaged, maybe you can do it once a month or do it every other month if you're not really suffering from you know, damaged hair. But I feel that it's really important to incorporate it in your regimen. So there are tons of protein treatments out there. The one that I use personally is the AfroG 2-step treatment. I'm actually going to give myself a protein treatment today, so I'll just show you how quick and simple it is to use. Alright, so the protein treatment that I use is the 2-step protein treatment by AfroG, and then I follow it up with the balancing moisturizer, also by AfroG. So this is really easy to use. Basically, you just have to shampoo your hair, which I've already done, and then you just towel blot it. Then you apply this protein treatment. Pour it in your hands, and just rub it throughout your hair. And use as much as you need so that your hair is like fully coated. So if your hair is longer than mine, you're definitely gonna have to work in sections, but since my hair is short, all I have to do is really just rub it throughout my head. And so once that's done, then you do not touch it until it's completely dry. And when I say you don't touch it, you don't touch it with your hands, you don't put any like shower cap or anything on top of it. Let it just completely dry. You can let it air dry, but do not touch your hair until it's completely dry. It's gonna get hard, and that just means that it's working. You want it to get hard. So if you touch it while it's hard, you run the risk of your hair like breaking off. So do not touch it until it's dry. I know I've said that several times, but trust me. The time that it takes to dry is gonna vary person by person and you know how much hair you have on your head. So once my hair is dry, okay, so I'm back and my hair is completely dry. It took about 30 minutes. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see how stiff my hair looks. Probably not, but my hair is very, when you touch it, it's very hard. So I know it is completely dry and it's ready to be washed out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash it out with warm water and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that everything is washed out my hair, we're gonna follow it up with the balancing moisturizer. And this is basically just to help to restore the moisture and softness to your hair and also the elasticity. So let's just add that to our hair and then we're gonna leave it in for a few minutes. I'm gonna leave this in for a few minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, so my hair is all washed out. So right now, all I'm gonna do is just apply my Alakay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner and then go ahead and style my hair. That's about it, guys. I'm gonna go style my hair. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.